Today we are checking out this 6.2 inch round burger press from the HULISEN store. This did ship quickly and was packaged carefully. I'll show you what all is included in this package. I did get the 6.2 inch. However, there are not only different sizes available, but also quantities just in case you needed multiple, you can save there. These can make a great gift for anyone on your Christmas list that loves to grill out, but essentially it will help you flatten your patty while on the grill, maintaining the round shape and getting the burger to the desired thickness. It's much easier to use than a spatula, and I thought this would make such a great gift for him. It'll save him a little bit of work while also making his cooking time more efficient because he can press his meat while cooking. And when you utilize this product, it helps you create, because you're pressing it against the heat, a caramelized shell that helps lock in the juices of your burger. So your burgers are going to be more consistently juicy and well formed. So if you have someone on your Christmas list that has a grill, loves to cook, or does the majority of the cooking in the house, I definitely recommend this burger press from the HULISEN store.